and I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass bray.
For all time's sake.
Hi my Simply Beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica. Please like, subscribe, notification bell. And yeah, so let's get into this video. So today I'm doing a wig review, so Amazon wig. I'll link everything below in the description bar. But I did review from this company before. Okay, so with this unit, it is synthetic and it does remind me of my human hair wig I got from VIVA GLAM Beauty. That's what it reminds me of. But yeah, so I don't know how long this unit is, but I have to say it has to be more than 20 inches, maybe 22 inches I think. But yeah, it does not come with baby hair. It comes with that little bit lace to cut, and yet again it does have that weird scalp thing. So your girl gonna try to finesse this wig for you guys. I'm gonna try, okay? I have my baby hair out for a reason, so I just thought in my head maybe I could finesse it better with my own edges laid out. So that's what I'm gonna do. Also with this unit, it's pretty. I mean, it's lightweight. If you look for affordable unit, this is the wig for you, okay? So I love the curl pattern on this unit, and I love that's ombre, which is very, very pretty. And I'm just going to brush out this unit because I do not like these tight curls that's giving me right now. The little body wave here, I don't like that, so I'm just gonna brush it out. But right here, I didn't put powder in the other one I had, so I'm just gonna put powder in the front of this to see if I can finesse it even more. So that's my baby hair. It does not come with baby hair, just give you that little bit of lace to cut. But other than that, I mean, it's a cute unit. It's cute. I mean, you can even when it gets fall time, put a hat on and go out the door. But yeah, I did pluck a little bit out the hair in the front. I should have plucked it on back some, but I didn't. But you can do that to your unit. Yeah, like I said, it has a light shine to it. Yeah, so right now I'm just going to show you, like, that's my baby hair. So basically I'm just going to put the hair behind my ear to try to finesse it even more. And this wig is big head friendly, so that's a plus. I like that, big head friendly. And I'm just combing the hair out with my hands, seeing what that looks like when I do that. But then I do it with my wig brush and I start combing the hair out like that. Now this wig does have shedding. I don't know if I plucked too much in I probably plucked too much. That's probably why it was shedding, but I don't know. But as soon as I start brushing it, you'll see in the video, it does have shedding in it, this wig. But yeah, it's cute. She is cute, okay? I love a good ombre. Like, this wig totally reminds me of the unit that I did review for Viva Glam. I'll try to put that in the video right here. I'll show you. So yeah, on the right hand side, that's my wig from Viva Glam that I said was human hair. But yeah, this wig a little bit looks like that a little bit. But yeah, anyways, everybody, I'll link everything below in the description bar like I just said. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.